Alright. I really like this song because, first of all, I actually think it's my favorite song on my album. Second of all, I'm not really a love song person, usually, because I like writing about life and like shit that's going on around me that more people can relate to. Because I think that's cool when you listen to it and you're like, oh, like, yeah, I get this, I've been in this situation. But I just think it's a really cool, like, non-tacky love song because it's basically saying a guy is a force of nature, which I think is kind of an interesting way of saying that you love someone. I hope you liked it.